What if starting from zero isn't your biggest weakness? What if it's your greatest advantage? Let me ask you something. Have you been waiting for the perfect moment, the perfect opportunity, or the perfect version of yourself? Here's the truth. That moment is never coming. Your life changes the second you decide that excuses no longer control your future. If you're starting from zero, good. You have nothing to defend, nothing to lose, and everything to build. Success doesn't begin with motivation. It begins with a decision. A decision to show up when nobody is watching. To keep moving when progress feels invisible. To continue when quitting feels easier. Stop asking, how do I change my life? Instead, ask, what's the next right thing I can do today? Wake up earlier, read 10 pages, train your body, write your goals, keep one promise to yourself. Small actions create big results. Confidence isn't something you find, it's something you earn by keeping your word. Remember this. Your habits are voting for the person you'll become. Every workout is a vote. Every page you read is a vote. Every healthy choice is a vote. Every excuse is a vote too. The future you're dreaming about is built by what you repeat every single day. Don't compare your chapter 1 to someone else's chapter 20. The people you admire started from zero too. They failed. They were rejected. They doubted themselves, but they kept going. After the excitement disappeared, that's discipline. And discipline will always take you farther than motivations ever can. Some days you'll feel unstoppable. Other days, you'll question everything. Show up anyway. Consistency beats intensity. Nobody changes their life overnight, but anyone can change the direction of their life today. One better decision, one better habit, one better day. Repeat that long enough, and your life begins to change. People will call you lucky. They'll never see the mornings you wanted to quit. They'll never see the nights you chose growth over comfort. That's okay. You're not building a reputation. You're building a life. So before this day ends, do one thing your future self will thank you for. Don't wait until Monday. Don't wait until next month. Start today. Because the person you're meant to become is waiting on the other side of the decision you're avoiding right now. If you're ready to rebuild your life from zero, write these 4 words. I start today. Make that your first promise to yourself. And remember, starting from zero isn't the end of your story. It's the strongest beginning you'll ever have.